If you think tofu is boring, you need to watch this video till the end. This is high in protein, high in fiber. We are going to make seared tofu with fava beans with a little seasoning and beautiful aromatic cilantro pesto. So let's begin and start making this masterpiece. Fava beans are rich in antioxidants, they are very good source of fiber and they have got amazing amount of proteins. Soak it overnight, or if you are in a hurry, you can even soak it for 4 hours or 3 hours or something. I have this very beautiful tip: when you're soaking it, always soak it covered to avoid any kind of contamination, which is physical contamination, anything goes into the food. See how beautiful it is being soaked, and it has become double of its own size. So this is ready for boiling. So you see the water level is exactly touching the soaked beans. In this, we need to add little life, which is salt, very small amount of black pepper, few drops of oil of your choice. I am using olive oil. I tentatively am thinking of putting, say, 4 whistles or something. Meanwhile, let's make coriander pesto. I have observed what people do. They pluck the leaves and throw the stem away. The entire flavor of the coriander is there in the stem, and in the leaves it is very less flavor. I'm going to use the leaves and the stems together. Let's start. So this is a mixture of different kind of nuts and seeds. You can choose as per your convenience. What I have taken here in little sesame seeds, almonds, you can see peanuts, pumpkin seeds, cucumber seeds, melon seeds. I am using little green chilies, some onions roughly sliced, the aromatic coriander leaves with the stem. Salt goes in. Freshly crushed pepper. I'm going to pour this beautiful olive oil and some more and some more and some more. That's it. Probably when you're using olive oil, you are never going to go wrong. Trust me on this. Olive oil is life. It's like a soul. I'm going to finish this with this organic apple cider vinegar. Close the lid and we're going to make a fine paste. You see this incredible creaminess? This is what I was expecting. So as I told you, I'm never afraid of using olive oil. A little on this entire pesto is not going to hurt at all. This is going to be a beautiful sauce for our dish. I'm going to transfer this into a bowl. Do not throw the water away after boiling the beans because it contains maximum B complex. You see how beautifully it is tendered. Olive oil, bit of this citrus, crushed pepper. I know I had added earlier also, but I'm adding some more. Carom seeds, you are going to crush it and just sprinkle. A little chili powder packed with capsaicin. Capsaicin, which is found in the chilies, is very essential for losing weight and it keeps your nervous system fit. Fava beans are ready, coriander pesto is ready, and now we are going to make the seared tofu. As I have told you earlier, we are not going to leave the oil heating alone in the pan. So quickly, I am going to put the slices of tofu. I'm lightly going to season this with some salt. And how I'm going to put this crushed pepper, you see, only on the tofu. We avoid putting it on the sides, otherwise it will burn. So while this is getting cooked, once you see this kind of color, you turn it. Season the other side as well. If at all, you are not doing this plate vegan, you can take paneer instead of using tofu. Or even tempeh works well with this recipe. You all can comment and let me know the difference between tempeh and tofu. Switch the flame off And I'm going to put a little chili powder, which I will be using as a tempering or as a chili oil over the dish. The time has come that I am going to assemble them into a beautiful masterpiece. Let's start with the presentation. I want to make the presentation which looks very homely yet stylish, something which is very doable by everyone. I have added the pesto first in the plate. Here goes the fava beans. This was in hurry, came very quickly. Here goes the crisp, beautiful salad leaves. And what is a plate without beautiful, colorful vegetables? Tofu goes here, a little elevated. Pour this beauty all over. This looks dangerously beautiful, and I am going to dig in and I'm going to try it out. I can't resist. Oh my God. So this beautiful plate has got a very good balance of high protein, fibers, fats, which is obviously very comforting. And you know, when I am using a good fat, I don't shy away. Please make it at home and let me know how it turns out in the comment section. This is Chef Rahul saying, signing off.